people are struggling to get job calls, but they don't realize there is a new AI tool that can completely change that. And it's called Claude AI. If you use it in the right way, it can fix your resume, it can optimize your LinkedIn profile, and even tell you why you are not getting shortlisted. So let me show you how you can use it for your job search. So before moving ahead, I would like to give you a brief overview about what exactly is Claude AI. So Claude AI is an AI tool similar to ChatGPT, but very powerful when it comes to analyzing the content, writing, and giving structured feedback. And instead of using it casually, you can use it like a career coach plus recruiter. The most important thing which you should remember while using Claude AI is that you should pass the appropriate prompt. Here's what most of the people do. They will simply open Claude AI and type like create my resume or write my LinkedIn summary, and that's it. But that's the wrong way to use it. You are treating it like a basic tool. Instead of that, you should use it like a recruiter who is going to review your profile. So don't worry, guys, I have made this super simple. I have already written the prompt for you. Just use it directly. So this prompt will cover the complete LinkedIn profile analysis. It will check the mistake detection, resume creation, which is going to be the complete ATS-friendly, keyword optimization, skills and project suggestions, recruiter feedback, and 30 days improvement plan. So let's move ahead. Now I will show you how I have optimized my own profile using Claude AI. So guys, this is my LinkedIn profile, right? And I have already installed Claude extension on my Chrome browser. You can see this. If you are not aware how to install Chrome Claude extension, right? So just ping into the comment section. I will share the steps as well. Right. So what I am going to do now is, since I have already installed this extension, I'm just going to click on this extension, right? So as we discussed earlier, I will be sharing the exact prompt with you as well, and I will put it on Claude, and we will see what kind of results we get. This is my profile. So purposefully, I have kept some stuff blank as well. I have not written some information in some of the section just to test if we are getting the accurate results or not. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm going to paste. What this Claude does is, it will be first sharing the complete end-to-end plan with us, like what kind of approach Claude is going to follow, right? So this is the approach they have shared with us. It's going to read the complete LinkedIn profile of mine. It will be doing the complete analysis. Then it will generate the analysis results, kind of mistakes, gaps, how I can optimize my resume. It will build a resume as well, right? So we have to approve it manually. So I will click on approve. So once I click on this, it will start doing the analysis of my complete LinkedIn profile. Okay, so in backend, it has started going through the individual section. It will say automatically my profiles are moving, right? It's scrolling down, and it's going through the complete details which I have added in my LinkedIn profile. In backend, it takes the screenshots. It's going to go through all the details over there, right? What we have written and what not. See, it's happening by its own. It's going to scroll down my LinkedIn profile, and it's picking the data from here. So it takes some time. It's going to take at least 2 to 3 minutes, right? So I'm going to pause this video, right? And we will see what results we are getting. Okay, so it has started giving us the detail analysis, right? It's still in progress, but whatever prompt we have given, it has started giving us the detail analysis. So the first thing which we told Claude AI is to do the profile analysis, right? It has gathered all the information, like what kind of work I'm doing right now. Okay, then what kind of role I was doing in my previous company. So all the education related details, certifications, followers, right, and recommendations. So all this stuff it has gathered, right? Then the next step was, we told Claude AI to check what kind of mistakes I have done till now in my LinkedIn profile and what are the gaps, right? And it's going to be brutally honest with us. Okay, so it has shared the suggestions, like it reads like a resume header, not a value statement. So it has told me to do some kind of changes in the headline itself, right? Certifications in the headline are okay, but they eat up space that could communicate value. So it's telling me to remove that and add some valuable data over there, right? Zero mention of what you actually do or the impact you create. A recruiter scanning 50 profiles in 5 minutes won't stop here, right? So it has given us this suggestion. What is the missing part? The specialization signal, cybersecurity, infra, fintech, what kind of domain in which you are working right now, you should add that. So these are the suggestions which Claude AI has given to add in the headline. Then in the section about section, it has told us to add about what kind of experience we have, right? What kind of skill sets we have, right? There should be no storytelling, no personality, or no differentiation, right? So no mention of your current context in CrowdStrike, right? So as I said earlier, I have kept this empty. I have not added anything in the CrowdStrike section, like what kind of work I'm doing over there. Okay, so it's telling me to add the stuff, what kind of stuff I'm doing there. Okay, so same goes with the experience section. It has told me what data I can fill actually in this. It has also given me the suggestion what you can add in my previous company section too. Okay, then the skills, only 3 to 4 skills are shown prominently, the rest are buried under show all. So I should not do that, right? So these are the suggestions. So I should add these skills in my LinkedIn profile. So whenever the recruiter is going to search for the profiles with the specific skills, then my profile will be highlighted to recruiter, right? Structural and branding gaps, no project section. Okay, no publications or articles. Okay, education part, you should add in brief what kind of course I have studied. Banner image is generic, right? So it's telling me to add the proper images as well. Then the ATS performance issue, it's telling me 68 search appearances per week is low, right? So it's telling me to be updated, right? It's telling me to add some high value ATS keywords, and it has searched the keywords like reliability engineer, platform engineer, FinOps, DevSecOps. I should add this. Okay, and then optimization of my profile, it has given me the suggestions as well, what I should add in my headlines, impact, keywords. Okay, and then finally it has rewritten all the above section. Okay, so it has written everything for me. I can use it as it is and I can paste it, right? So see guys, it's making our job very easy. Okay, so it has written everything for me. It has rewritten experience bullet points as well. I can copy paste as it is and update it in my LinkedIn profile, right? Then this keywords, same keywords you can also update in your Naukri portal too. Okay, you can use this keywords as it is. Then as I told Cloud AI to prepare the resume for me, it has created the complete resume as well. Okay, I can copy paste it as it is and I can have my resume, right? And then finally, recruiter perspective. Like I told Cloud AI to behave like a senior recruiter. So would I get shortlisted? So what Cloud AI is saying is conditionally yes, but you are leaving a lot on the table. So it has shared the honest feedback, like what I should do, right? What stops me from instantly shortlisting. It has given me all the suggestion. Okay, and guys, it has given me what kind of salary I should expect right now in the market. Okay, so it has shared the expected salary range if I'm looking for a job in Pune, Bangalore, right? If I'm going to look out for a job outside India, right? So this could be the CTC I should expect. So everything I'm getting from this prompt itself, right? And then finally it is giving us the roadmap, how I can improve myself. So it is giving us 30-day improvement roadmap, right? So what you can do in week 1, week 2, week 3, right, week 4, and that's it. So if you follow this strategy, it's going to help us to build a strong LinkedIn profile plus resume as well, right? So this is how it has given us the genuine feedback. Okay, so this will help us to build our profile very strongly. Along with this, we will have the resume ready with us with appropriate keywords, ATS friendly resume as well, right? So this is going to be very helpful for us. Now, once your profile is ready, your LinkedIn is optimized, and your resume is ATS friendly, the next step is the job search. And this is where you can again use Claude AI in a very powerful way. Instead of randomly applying for jobs, you can actually make it work like a job hunting machine. And here's what you need to do. Take your resume, upload it on Cloud AI, and use this prompt. I will also put this prompt in the description section. You can directly use it from there. What this prompt will do is it will analyze your resume in depth, identify the best roles you should target, especially if you are fresher or entry level. It will find real companies that are currently hiring and it will give you a direct application links. And not just that, guys, it will also match each job with your profile, give you a fit score out of 100, and organize every time into high probability roles, medium probability roles, and stretch roles. If you are not getting job calls, don't just apply more. Fix your profile first. Use Cloud AI in the right way, and you will start seeing the results. If this helped you, like the video and share with someone who needs this. Your job search doesn't need more effort, guys, it needs the right strategy.